So moving away from testing normality, we're going to talk a little bit about two descriptive statistics that can be important when understanding your not so normal distribution. The reason I say not so normal is, let's say you pass normality, but it looks a little weird. That generally means that you have a skewness or kurtosis that are not equal to 0. So first, let's talk about skewness. Skewness is a measure of the asymmetry of a distribution. So it's really a descriptive statistic that helps describe the shape of the distribution. So if you were to draw a line connecting all of your data and it's sorted from smallest to largest, you're going to be able to see skewness of 0. That means that the data is symmetrical. So that's like your normal distribution, very, very symmetrical. Skewness of less than 0, so a negative skewness, the left tail is going to be longer. And then a skewness that's above 0, a positive skewness, the right tail will be longer. So what does that mean? Left tail, right tail. Well, to figure that out, we'll have to actually take a look at two distributions with different skewnesses. So on the left, you'll see a negative skew. And on the right, you'll see this positive skew. So on the left here, you'll notice that the left tail is longer. So it kind of looks like the distribution itself is going to tip over because there's just so much slope on this side. And then there's so much slope on this side. The left tail is this, and the right tail is this. So you'll notice here on this negative skew where the left tail is longer, it looks like if you were to slide down there, you would be on the slide for a really long time because it's a lot longer. Whereas if you were to slide down the right, it would be pretty short. It's a very short slide. So in the case of a positive skew, the right tail is longer. One way to think of it, again, is the slide. If you sit and you were to slide, you would slide for a really long time. If you were to sit and slide down the left tail, you would slide only for a little bit. So those are your tails. It's just which side of the mean you're on, and a negative skew would be a longer left tail, a positive skew, a longer right tail.